Hi there, I'm Donatien, co-founder of Meteroid, and today I will provide you with a brief overview of how the platform is working, and so that you can start building with Meteroid. So first, you will need to access the platform. To do so, you can navigate our website and click here on the login button. And if you don't already have an account, you will have the opportunity to sign up. So once you access the platform, you will need to check on which tenant you are working. So if you want to test Meteroid, you can work on a development tenant or sandbox tenant. But if you want to start billing for real, you will need to create a production tenant. To do so, you just need to click here on new tenant and create a production tenant here. Once done, I strongly encourage you to navigate the settings section. So here in general, you access the available currencies. So for example, here I put Euro and USD. It means that I will be able to create plans in Euro and USD. And here you will find an interesting feature. It's disable all email notifications. It means that if you want to test Meteroid without spamming anyone, you can activate this feature here. Then in the merchant section, you will access some of the information that will be displayed on the invoices you will send to your customers. So you can update your legal name, your address, put your logo here, for example, and you can create different invoicing entity if you invoice from different branches. Here in the invoice section, you can update the footers. In the integration section, it's where you can manage the integration of Meteroid with your stack. So for example, you can integrate with payment providers, your CRM or accounting software. So for example, here, I linked Meteroid to Stripe so that in the payment method, I can choose Stripe as a relevant payment provider for credit card and direct debit. Here in the tax section, you can choose the tax calculation method. So if you choose manual, it means that Meteroid will consider the tax rate entered at customer level as relevant. And if you put the Meteroid EU VAT, it means that the platform will be able to calculate the relevant tax rate if your customers is based in the EU. So once you're done, if you decide to bill according to usage, I mean, if you want to implement usage-based billing, you will need to create billable metrics. So to do so, you need to navigate the metrics section here and create a new metric here. Basically, we will process the data according to your setup. So for example, we can count, we can sum, we can mean, and so on and so on. To send us data, you can move to the developer section and create an API token here. And you can access as well all the API documentation from this section. You can send us usage data through files as well. To do so, you can move to the event section and click here, import CSV. In this section, you can access as well all the usage data that you send to us, and you can filter this data by customers, by date, and so on and so on. Then you can move to the plan section. So basically, the plan section is where you manage pricing. So to create a new plan, you just need to go there, new plan, enter a name, a currency, and here you can click on add a price component. So you can add, for example, a subscription rate. So I will put 10 monthly fee, 10 euros monthly fee here, and you just need to validate, and you can add as many pricing components as you want, whether it is slot-based, capacity commitments, usage-based. For example, here you just need to select a metric, API calls, and you can say, okay, I will bill 0.001 euro per API call, and you just need to validate. Once you're done, you can publish the plan, and you can access here all the plans that are currently available. Then you can move to the customer section. So to create a customer, you can do it either via the API, you can import a file using here the button import CSV, or you can create new customer here. When you click on a customer, you access a dashboard with all their subscriptions and invoices. Two interesting things are the integration section here. So for example, previously I integrated with Stripe. So here I can manage the Stripe ID of this customer. And here I can access the customer portal. So basically the customer portal is where a customer can see their subscription and manage in full autonomy their payment method, their billing information, and so on. Once you're done, you can move to the subscription section. So you can create a subscription through the API via a quote. I will talk about it later. Or you can click here, new subscription, and you just need to choose a plan, choose a customer, and choose a start date, choose when you want your customer to be invoiced, and choose an activation condition. And you just need to click on create subscription afterwards, and the subscription is created automatically. Here you access a dashboard with all your subscriptions with their status. If a subscription is pending checkout for activation, you can access a checkout link here, for example, so that your customer can pay the subscription and activate the subscription. Another way to create a subscription is via a quote. So to create a quote, you just need to move to the quote section and click here, create a quote. So you'll see the UI is very similar to the create a subscription one. One difference is that you can choose here to create a subscription automatically once the quote is accepted. And you can enter here the recipients that will need to sign the quotes. So once you're done, you create a quote and you publish the quote. And once published, you can access a link that you can share with your customers so that they can sign the quote. So here, up, I sign the quote, and the status is automatically updated. And here, the status will be automatically updated as well. Once you're done with the subscription section, you can move to the invoicing section. So you can access here a dashboard with all your invoices with their status and their payment status. The payment status is updated automatically if you integrate Meteroid with a payment provider. If not, you can mark an invoice as paid by clicking here. And at any time, you can send a payment link to your customer by clicking here, share a payment link, so that your customer can access their invoice and pay it directly through a checkout link. Another thing is that you can manually edit draft invoices. So you just need to go there, actions, and edit invoices. So you can edit customer details and add line items if you want. And if you need to create invoices from scratch, you just need to go there, new invoices, select a customer, a currency, and add a few line items. For example, I will put line 1. I will put a price at 20 euros. And I can create directly an invoice clicking here on create. Well, you're now ready to use Meteroid. So if you need clarification, you can access the documentation directly from the website or send us an email. I will put all the relevant info directly in comments. Thanks for watching.